Welcome to the United Ways of California Extranet website. This website provides an online collaborative working environment for a number of separate groups and committees associated with the United Ways of California. I'd like to introduce you to the working features of the site and to provide a quick overview of how to use each one. Some quick points about navigating the Extranet first. After you log in, you'll notice that in the upper left, you'll see your username and a thumbnail image of yourself if you've added one. Click on the username to see a menu of options. The logout option is the last menu item. Profile option lets you update your profile information and to upload an image of yourself. If I select Profile and then Edit My Profile over on the right, I can update information about myself, and if I select Picture, I can upload a new picture of myself. The primary tools associated with each Extranet group include the Members Directory, the Calendar, the Notebook, and the blog, which is sometimes used as a discussion forum. Within your working group, when a new entry of any type is posted, or whenever anyone adds a response comment to a posting, everyone in the group receives a copy of that posting via email. Blog posts are sent right away. Calendar and notebook entries are sent in digest form once a week. Let's talk about the blog forum first. There are two ways to participate in the blog forum. One is to come to the site to read forum posts, comment on them, and start a new blog forum conversation if you like. And the other is to participate in blog forum discussions entirely by email. When you come to the site, the most recent blog forum topics are posted on the home page for the group, otherwise known as the dashboard. Over on the right here, you'll see a special block that lists the latest blog posts. You can also see a list of blog forum topics by clicking the blog icon. This shows me all of the blog topics that have been posted to the site. If you click on the title of a blog forum discussion, you can see the original posting and all of the discussion threads for that topic. If you'd like to comment on the posting, assuming it's a discussion, you can click Add a New Comment in the lower right and add your comment or question to the blog posting. You actually have the option of not sending an email out to the entire group when you create a posting. So if that's something you need to not do for whatever reason, you can, under notifications, you can click Do Not Send Notifications of this update. Either way, be sure that you save your posting. If I want to create a new blog topic, a new posting, or a new discussion, I click Create Content, Blog Forum Topic. This provides me a form that lets me start a discussion or post information to the group. As I mentioned earlier, you can participate in blog forum discussions by email without coming to the site at all. To post a comment in response to an email you've received from the site, simply reply to the email. In this case, I've received a blog posting email from Pete Monzo, and I'd like to respond to it. So I'll click reply. Now, since all of the contents of your email reply will be posted, you can delete the original message to reduce redundancy. But be careful not to delete the complicated looking URL at the bottom of the email. This one that says view original post. So what I'm going to do is, since I don't need all of this information to be reposted, is I'm going to delete the original message. Leave this URL in here because this information is what tells the system what blog topic discussion item this reply is going to. So I click send and my comment will go back to the website. To initiate a new discussion by email, you can use the special email address provided to you for this purpose. For the group that I've been working with, the special email address is extranet.forum@unitedwaysca.org. Every group within the website has a special email address of this sort that is used or can be used to create a new blog forum topic discussion via email. So in other words, I can go to the site, I can create a new topic if I want, or a new discussion, or I can do it entirely by email using this special email address. In this case, I want to start a discussion about experience with community outreach. So that's what my topic is about. When I click send, this will go out to the website and be posted in the same way as if I'd gone to the website and created the blog forum topic on the website. The member directory provides a list of all the members on the site. You can see the information in detail about each member. And since it provides their email address, if you would like to communicate with someone directly, you can click on the email address and it will bring up your email program. In this case, for me, it's Yahoo. The notebook, and this is the notebook over here. The notebook is like a library where reference information for the group can be stored along with downloadable files. You can click on an item to go to that page. The first one is how to use the site, which is the default page for the notebook. In other words, it's the first page that's displaying. But I can click on the various pages in the site, or in the notebook, over here in the special notebook block. When something has a plus on it, it means there are additional pages under that page, in which case I can click on those pages within it. You'll notice that this particular page has downloadable files on it. I can either read the files in place, as is typical with the internet, or I can download the file to my machine and read it locally if I so choose. If I double click on capital Day, it takes me back to that page. If I double click on Notebook, it takes me back up to the top of the Notebook table of contents. Of course, there's a calendar if I want to create a calendar topic or a calendar entry, I come up to Create Content and click Event. This provides a form and enter the title of my event and the date of the event, including the time, with the detail. Of course, I'll save it. In this case, I haven't entered the critical information, so it's letting me know that. And that's about it. I hope you enjoy using the United Ways of California Extranet website.